underwent this eye cataract surgery, and I lost my eyesight, and now I am the only sole breadwinner of my family. I'm left with no alternative. I cannot earn a livelihood with a degenerative eye. My lord, I am an electrician by profession. I underwent an eye cataract eye surgery. It was a left eye small incision cataract surgery in a government camp, an eye camp organized by respondent number 2 hospital, which is a my lord, which is a governmental hospital, and the status of the respondent hospital is I have annexed P1, which starts on page 21. My lord will look at page 22, serial number 4, Garden Reach SGH, CHC Community Health Care and Sub-District Hospital. So, my lord, the status of the respondent number 2 and 3 are very clear. They are a government hospital. My lord, what happens is I underwent this left eye small incision cataract surgery, and thereafter there were further complications that developed. And mine, I need to add, my lord, that is not an isolated incident. There were several others. There were over 30 other such patients who underwent similar eye surgery there, and underwent similar post-operative trouble. Mine was post-operative endophthalmitis in left eye. And getting wind of this matter, some days later, we were further summoned back to the hospital, and we were taken to the regional RIO, where is it?
Regional Institute of Ophthalmology.
Yes, my lord. This is I have annexed all the. I will take my lord through the document.
What is your prayer?
My prayer, my lord, is, before I come to my prayer, my lord, is that this is not an isolated incident. This is what can squarely be described as a constitutional tort offensive. My lord, this is the eye camp has been conducted as part of the state's sovereign function. And my lord will know that in Nilabati Behera and others, there's a certain duty of care on the state, on the functionaries of the state. This duty of care is towards me. I, in good faith, underwent this eye cataract surgery, and I lost my eyesight, and now I am the only sole breadwinner of my family. I'm left with no alternative. I cannot earn a livelihood with a degenerative eye. And my lord, my prayers, my lord, starts from page 18 of my writ petition.
What is the stand of the state?
But so far the state is concerned, my lord, I have sought for instructions with regard to this matter, my lord. But
Are the respondent numbers 2 and
that's what, my lord, that's what I sought for specific instruction with regard to this fact that 2 and 3 are attached with any way connected with the state government or
right?
But that answer I don't get as yet, my lord. But the prayer is, my lord, if lordship seen the prayer, my lord, it says, my lord, a read nature commanding that
I have checked up with petitioner.
Yeah. There is no, my lord, what he has submitted before his lordship and what has been prayed for is entirely different.
To conduct a fair and impartial investigation.
If it is a case of medical negligence and all, my lord, there are other forums are there, my lord. Under Clinical Establishment Act, he can
all right.
Or, my lord, the consumer forum.
First you inquire as to whether 2 and 3 are state authorities or not.
That's what, my lord, this Garden Reach
because the document that has been placed,
yes,
page 22, is a national program for control of blindness under the Directorate General of Health Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Now, whether these are state hospitals or not, or under the union government,
that has to be looked.
I do not know.
My lord, is a sub-district hospital.
Is it a district hospital?
It is written, my lord, in 2022, page 22, next to Garden Reach SGH, CHC Sub-District Hospital. And my lord, I have further annexed reports from which are very publicly available from media, which describe the nature and purpose of this hospital.
Do not rely upon media reports. The learned advocate is there. Let him take instruction. Please come.
Lordship.
And my lord, may I make a small submission in response to what has been placed by my learned colleague?
You have sought for a fair and impartial investigation regarding
Yes,
the
ma'am.
incident. Did you lodge any police complaint or anything?
We tried to, my lord. I have annexed that as well.
Try, what does try mean?
We filed an application with the local police, because even my lord will appreciate this, that even the discharge certificate was not given. I had to run pillars to
Did
post.
you file any complaint?
I filed
Where
a
is the complaint?
This is, my lord, this is page this is P6, page 53, my lord.
Officer in charge, Nadial police station, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And now that officer in charge is not a party.
No, my lord, because my lord, I have run from pillar to post. This is not a police inaction matter. My lord will appreciate that even the
Learned
Consumer
advocate
Protection Act is not.
representing the তার আগে the petitioner alleges that the respondent numbers 2 and 3 failed to discharge their proper duties at the time of conducting the cataract surgery of the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner has currently lost his eyesight. Stop. The petitioner prays for conducting a fair and impartial investigation of the alleged incident and further prays for payment of damages and compensation for loss of eyesight. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents is directed to obtain necessary instruction and file a report before this court.
Page 59, my lord, the discharge certificate has been annexed.
Yes, but
The discharge certificate has not been given.
no,
but in
please, but please see
59,
page
my lord,
57, my lord. I had to write a letter. I had to run from pillar to post
in
to obtain the
respect of
discharge
the-
certificate.
in respect of the cataract surgery campaign, a program conducted by the respondent numbers 2 and 3. Yes. Let such report be prepared and circulated by 10th of July, released on 22nd.
Great.
Exception to the report may be filed prior to the adjourned date.